that the Ministry of Education shall announce the new school calendar by the middle of August.
THUKURU ya KUHINGURWO mweri-ini wa kenda kurigana na miario ya mutongoria wa bururi.
The Ministry of Education, jointly with the Ministry of Health, issue and publicize guidelines on a gradual and progressive return to normalcy in the education sector by the third term.
No kiuria kinene gikoretwo ari ni ikiriko irafatarania niguo gutigirira ciana itiri ugwatini o wothe riria iri thukuru hari kurwara kana kugwatania homa ya coronavirus. Akiaria hindi ya kunyafara mihango ya utumi wa turebeko kabunini ya Kikote kaunti ya Kitui, Minister wa Githomo ni ataririe makinya maria mendekithitio ni Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri.
We have been advised by the Minister of Health that a class should have between 15 and 20 children. And therefore, you know and I know and everybody knows in this country that is going to be a challenge.
No ona kuri uguo Minister Magoha ni ataririe uritu uria uriho wa gukinyaniria mendekithia macio kuria augite thukuru nyingi itire na uhoti wa kuhingia watho ucio indi akoria thirikari iheane irebeko itanyiheire igire kuri o murutwo.
The mask is the one that must be worn. There's no negotiation about this, and that's why in order to give children 2 masks we need to produce about 24 million. If we were to say, okay, let the tendering system take it, we shall be happy that people are making money, but so much of that money will also get lost because the government will not get value for money.
Magoha athiete na mbere na gutariria arutani magakorwo makihingura ciumia igiri mbere niguo makorwo makiamukira mathomo makwigitira kumana na homa ya coronavirus.
There are thermograms which are not expensive, which we hope a school will have several, so that you are able to pick, and the teachers will be taught how to use this, so that you are able to pick a child with fever, can be isolated, and you check it could still be malaria or any other condition.
Turebeko tu tugukorwo tugithondekerwo guku bururi-ini ni kabuni ya Rivertex na Kikotex o undu umwe na ruhonge rwa yuthi rwa guku bururi-ini na tukinyio thukuru-ini ciothe muira mathomo mambiriirie undu uria gavana wa Kitui ekirite mukonde.
We have good quality in Kikotex. We also keep not only high standards, but we also keep the numbers that once orders have been made, we make sure that they are finished on time.
Gerifo tera Kameme TV, Jetagwo Murige Wagure.